Derivation. A leading or drawing off of water from a stream or source. The act of receiving anything from a source, the act of procuring an effect from a cause, means, or condition, as profits from capital, conclusions, or opinions from evidence. Genealogy, linguistics, the act of tracing origin or descent. Grammar, forming a new word by changing the base of another word or by adding affixes to it. The state or method of being derived, the relation of origin when established or asserted. That from which a thing is derived. That which is derived, a derivative, a deduction. Mathematics, the operation of deducing one function from another according to a fixed definition, referred to as derivation or differentiation. This is the inverse operation to integration. Medicine, a drawing of humors or fluids from one part of the body to another, to relieve or lessen a morbid process. D E R I V A T I O N. Derivation.